I am Mike Wheeler,
And I'm Anthony Wheeler.
and we're here to teach you about Salesforce DX.
Salesforce DX is Salesforce's new and modern developer experience. And whether you are new to Salesforce development or an experienced developer, this course will help you get up and running in Salesforce DX in no time.
I've taught over 100,000 students on the Salesforce platform, and now I'm teaming up with my developer son, Anthony Wheeler, to teach you all about Salesforce DX.
We have designed this course to take you through the process of getting fully functional in Salesforce DX, starting with signing up for your own free developer account.
From there, we'll walk you through setting up your own org, installing Salesforce DX and Visual Studio Code on your computer, and then integrating them together.
Once everything is installed, we will cover the basics of Visual Studio Code and Salesforce DX. From navigating and customizing the interface, to retrieving and deploying metadata, to migrating from a different developer environment, as well as how to find and run any Salesforce DX command.
We'll also get you started with creating Apex classes as well as Aura and Lightning Web components in Salesforce DX.
We will also be covering how to create and use Scratch orgs, as well as some of their use cases, some of the various ways that you can test and debug different functionality in your code in your development environment, and how the metadata API contrasts with Salesforce DX and ways you can work between the two.
So join Anthony and I as we take you on the journey of learning Salesforce DX by enrolling today.